Today, I am unboxing and sharing my first impressions of the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4, which will launch globally as the Poco X7 Pro. This phone features a fast refresh rate AMOLED display, a powerful new flagship processor, a Sony large aperture camera sensor, a huge battery, fast charging, and more. Hey everyone, Mikey here from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications to stay updated on more amazing tech videos. Let's dive into the unboxing. The Redmi Turbo 4 comes in a simple box with bold branding on the top. After cutting and removing the plastic wrap, we set the phone aside to explore the contents. Inside the box, you'll find a 90-watt power adapter and a Type-C to Type-A data cable, all neatly packed. Stay tuned as I share more insights about this exciting device. Let's talk about the design of the Redmi Turbo 4. Our unit comes in an elegant white cloud color, featuring a simple and refreshing look without any exaggerated elements. The standout feature is the striking red slender waistline, which adds a bold touch while visually dividing the back into two distinct areas. The left side has a pure matte white finish, while the right side showcases an intricate rectangular pattern created using photolithography. Despite these visual elements, the back cover itself maintains a smooth and delicate texture thanks to its 2.5D AG frosted glass, offering an impressive feel in hand. The texture of the Redmi Turbo 4 is a noticeable improvement over its predecessor, evident as soon as you hold the device. The camera module retains the Turbo series signature design, now enhanced with integrated metal material and two red accents that align with the red waistline for a cohesive look. An interesting addition is the hidden dual warm and cool light setup in the camera module. These lights activate subtly during notifications, charging, or while playing music, but only when the phone is placed face down and the screen is off, while you can't currently customize the lighting effects or colors. Likely a deliberate choice by Redmi engineers to avoid making the phone overly flashy, the design remains sophisticated and functional. Turning to the front, the Redmi Turbo 4, or Poco X7 Pro, features a stunning 1.5K flexible display with a peak brightness of 3200 nits. For eye protection, it supports DC dimming and a Winetine 20Hz PWM hybrid dimming solution, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience. A high-quality screen is a vital aspect of any phone, and the Redmi Turbo 4 delivers both visible and unseen qualities. It boasts certifications for IP66, IP68, and IP69 water and dust resistance, making it highly durable. The phone also includes a range of advanced features, such as dual-screen GPS support, Beidou navigation, dual stereo speakers, an X-axis linear motor, and full-featured NFC with an infrared remote control. Redmi Turbo 4 ensures a complete and well-rounded user experience by incorporating all these features, enhancing its appeal from the inside out. However, the device's weight has increased, now measuring 205 grams with the screen protector, over 20 grams heavier than its predecessor, the Turbo 3. While it is not as light and thin as before, this trade-off aligns with the Turbo series' goal of offering a more comprehensive and balanced configuration at an affordable price. For users seeking an ultra-light feel, alternatives like the Xiaomi 15 are available. Still, the Redmi Turbo 4 remains a compelling option for those prioritizing a feature-packed experience. The Redmi Turbo 4 comes equipped with a 6550 mAh GSR battery, a significant upgrade of 1550 mAh compared to the Turbo 3, delivering a substantial improvement in battery life. In our 3-hour power consumption test, conducted at normal temperatures with 50% volume and 50% screen brightness, the phone used only 8% battery during 1 hour of 1080p video playback, 10% during 1 hour of WeChat video calls, and 16% during 1 hour of playing Honor of Kings. These results highlight its impressive durability. What sets this battery apart is its advanced technology. It features silicon carbon anode technology with up to 6% silicon content, providing exceptional performance even in ultra-low temperatures as low as -35 degrees Celsius. To test this claim, we placed the phone in a freezer set to -18 degrees Celsius and repeated the video playback and WeChat video call tests under the same conditions. Despite a low temperature shutdown warning, the Turbo 4 delivered the same power consumption performance as in normal temperatures: 8% for 1 hour of video playback and 10% for WeChat calls. This remarkable consistency demonstrates the cutting-edge capabilities of the silicon carbon anode battery. Additionally, the Redmi Turbo 4 supports 90 watts fast charging, powered by Xiaomi's Surge P2 fast charging chip. In our tests, the phone charged to 33% in just 10 minutes, 73% in 30 minutes, and fully charged to 100% in 47 minutes. With its combination of excellent durability and rapid charging, the Redmi Turbo 4 sets a new benchmark for battery performance. Now, let's dive into the performance of the Redmi Turbo 4. This device marks the debut of the Dimensity 8400 Ultra, the most powerful chip in MediaTek's Dimensity 8000 series to date. While the name might suggest a mid-range processor, the Dimensity 8400 Ultra boasts cutting-edge technology and impressive capabilities. Built using TSMC's second-generation 4nm process, it shares the same large-core architecture as the flagship Dimensity 9300. Let's examine the gaming performance of the Redmi Turbo 4. In a room with a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, we tested its capabilities under extreme conditions. With the screen brightness set to 200 nits and graphics settings maxed out, we ran a half-hour ranked match in Honor of Kings. The device delivered an impressive average frame rate of 119.8 FPS, with the frame rate graph showing almost no fluctuations. Power consumption was well controlled at 3.99 watts, using only 8% of the battery. After the test, the device's back and front temperatures were 32.5 degrees Celsius and 34 degrees Celsius, respectively. To push the Redmi Turbo 4 further, we tested it with Genshin Impact on the Sumeru city map under the same conditions. Over a half-hour session, the phone maintained an average frame rate of 57.1 FPS, with minor fluctuations but no noticeable stuttering. The average power consumption was 6.96 watts, consuming 14% of the battery. By the end of the test, the back and front temperatures reached 46.3 degrees Celsius and 47.7 degrees Celsius, respectively. These results highlight the strong performance and energy efficiency of the Dimensity 8400 Ultra. Whether through aggressive scheduling or excellent thermal management, the Redmi Turbo 4 performs admirably, meeting the demands of general mobile gaming with ease. Finally, let's discuss the camera. The Redmi Turbo 4 is equipped with a 50-megapixel Sony LIT 600 sensor, featuring a large f1.5 aperture and optical image stabilization, OIS, as its standout features. With the integration of Xiaomi's AI and ASP 2.0 imaging algorithms, the phone's photography capabilities have been significantly enhanced, transitioning from basic to more refined and reliable performance. Portrait mode offers versatile options, including 26mm and 35mm focal lengths, paired with temporary shutter technology for quick, lossless captures. It also includes features like reflection elimination to ensure clear and professional-looking images. These advanced imaging technologies provide Turbo Series users with a near-flagship photography experience, making it a solid choice for mobile photography enthusiasts. The base variant of the Redmi Turbo 4 is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan in China. When converted, this amounts to approximately £220 in the UK and $273 in the USA. The mid-range flagship, while constrained by cost, strikes a strong balance between texture and performance. As the first product of 2025, it successfully combines design and functionality. The Aero Glass, red waistline design, and metal camera module enhance its premium feel, while the Dimensity chipsets lead the way in performance. With the impressive 6550 mAh Jinshajiang battery delivering excellent performance in both normal and low temperatures, the Aero stands out as a prime example of a compact flagship that excels in both design and performance for 2025.